I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ram 3500 hubcaps. First, determine if your truck has single or dual rear wheels, as the process can vary slightly. Next, carefully find the small notches or openings on the hubcap's edge. It is crucial that your truck is parked on a flat, stable surface, and never attempt this while the vehicle is jacked up. This ensures your safety and prevents accidental damage during the removal process. For most Ram 3500 hubcaps, the factory-provided lug wrench is your primary tool. It often has a hooked or flat end designed for this task. For those particularly stubborn dual rear wheel caps, a small 2-pound slide hammer can offer extra leverage. Remember, if you need to pry against the wheel, always place a thick shop rag or cloth to protect the wheel's finish from any potential scratches or damage. Once your tool is ready, carefully insert the flat end or hook of your lug wrench into one of the hubcap's notches. The key is to use a steady, outward pulling motion, not a twisting or prying action, to prevent damage to the cap or wheel. For dual rear wheel models, you will find 2 distinct pull-off notches. Ensure the tool is squarely seated in one before pulling. This method helps release the cap evenly. When reinstalling your hubcaps, proper alignment is essential. Line up any vent holes on the hubcap with those on the wheel for a correct fit. Then, use a rubber mallet to gently tap the hubcap evenly around its entire perimeter until it is firmly seated. Never use an air-driven impact wrench for reinstallation, as this can easily strip threads or damage the plastic lugs and the hubcap itself, leading to premature failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.